Hey guys. Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about some new hair from a company that I have been working with for years and years now. This company is called Toyotress, and they sent me their 8-pack of Marley hair, and this is in a color 1B, and this is in 24 inches. So the one bundle pack that you purchase for, let's see, how much is the price? For $30 is going to give you 8 packs of hair, and for each braid, or excuse me, I ended up installing twist. So for each twist I used 4 pieces of hair from the bundle pack. So total in the bundles, I used a total of 5 bundles for my entire head. So I did do the rubber band method on some braids a couple of days ago. So when I took the braids out, I left the rubber bands in so that I could install these twists from Toyotress. So if you want to see how I section my hair and got these sections, you need to watch my previous video about the braids that I installed. So every time I do my hair, I use my alligator clips. These are amazing, and I sell them on my website, GLEEmade.com. They help me so much in doing any type of install under the sun. So this first braid I'm showing you, I literally just used a crochet needle, put the hair underneath the rubber band. So it was perfect that I actually reused these rubber bands from my braids from before because they were nice and loose. I would definitely suggest, if you're doing a fresh rubber band method, to do the rubber bands very, very loose, you guys, because the kinky hair, the Marley hair, is thick, and if the rubber bands are tight, it's going to put tension on your hair. Then I just added a little bit of edge control at the end of my own hair, and I started twisting just as normal. So with one twist done, I went on to the next one and realized that I wanted to use 4 pieces of hair. That first twist that I did was 3 pieces of hair, and I didn't feel like it was thick enough and fluffy enough. So I ended up using 4 pieces of hair for every twist going forward. Okay, y'all, so I'm coming back because I've done a couple more and I'm changing my techniques. So when you put 4 pieces on here, it's a lot more hair. So you just want to be careful. Like at first I was doing 3, but I like how 4 looks better. So you just have to be a lot more careful when you put in the needle through. You want to make sure that you hold where the rubber band is. And you also want to make sure that the rubber band is not too close to the roots, because it's a lot of hair to pull through and you don't want to put tension on where, you know, your hair is and the rubber band is. And then when you pull it through, because my hair was like going with the hair, because the hair is so kinky, it was like snatching my hair with it. I just hold my hair to the side along with the other side of the hair. And then you got it through. You kind of want it to be a little even, so you kind of just want to look and see, is it even? And so you could do it one or two ways. The way I did it was separate my hair into two, or you could leave your hair as one, but don't put the edge control on it, because the edge control doesn't allow it to kind of snatch your hair and grab your hair and hold it in place. The edge control makes your own hair slippery, so it just defeats the whole purpose of this kinky hair like grabbing onto your hair. So I just separate my own hair in two and just start twisting. Now what you could also do, if you don't want your root to start getting too twisted around, you could put that there so that the root of your own hair doesn't continually twist around and twist around. But your hair will blend in a lot better if you don't put the edge control, because the ones that have the edge control, like, it's very obvious, and it just doesn't want to stay in, as opposed to the ones that don't have the edge control, like, they're staying in a lot better. So I did want to show you guys the ends of the hair. The ends of the hair are a little like scraggly and a little rough. You can comb them out or pick them out. I just didn't take the time to do that. So I literally just twisted all the way down. And then I just kind of like rolled the hair around in my fingers to kind of seal it off. Sometimes that wasn't enough and I had to use a rubber band to hold it together. Or I would just go ahead and braid at the bottom of the twist. So total, I used 5 packs of the hair. And remember, you purchased this hair in a bundle of 8. So I only used 5. So once I finished, I realized I wanted to redo that one. So I just took it out and redid it. And then I styled my baby hairs. When I styled my baby hairs, I did use the GLEEmade edge control and the GLEEmade baby hair brush. Those are available on my website as well, so you can check that out. I really did love this hair. I ended up loving the way that it came out. I love the texture. It is very coarse, so if you don't like coarse hair, you know, it is that. But I've gotten so many compliments on this hair, and it's super easy to wear. I just wear my GLEEmade bonnet at night and when I'm in the shower, and it's just perfect. I absolutely love it. I will leave links down below to where you can grab this hair and try it out for yourself. If you do, definitely let them know that Jess sent you. So this is the end result. I'm super happy with this hair. It's so lightweight. It's so cute to wear. It's perfect for the summer. I did this entire style in probably an hour and a half. It's very fast and very simple. So if you want to give it a try, definitely do so. I also showed you guys a couple ways you can style this hair at the end of the video. So if you want to see a couple different ways I've been wearing the hair, then definitely stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Instagram because I definitely show a lot over there, like in my stories and just, you know, a little more about my life. If you want to get to know me a little bit better, definitely follow me on IG. Also Facebook. I've been doing a little more over there lately, but I'm so inconsistent with Facebook. Yeah, you guys, I'm definitely trying my best to give you guys more content and more consistency here. So yeah, stick with the kid because I got a lot of good stuff coming for you. All right, you guys, you know the vibes. Definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help me beat this YouTube algorithm by sharing these videos and giving me a huge thumbs up. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a kinky twist lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.